In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card on Dhgate. This process is very straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes, so let's walk through it together step by step. First things first, you need to log into your Dhgate account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're a returning user, simply enter your credentials and get into your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's time to shop. Browse through the wide array of items available on Dhgate. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion items, or anything else, just add the items you want to your shopping cart. Consider it your digital shopping list, and once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed to checkout. Now, when you go to the checkout page, you're going to enter the payment section, which is where the magic happens. On this payment page, keep an eye out for a field where you can enter a gift card code or redeem a coupon. These fields are typically prominent, but if you don't see it straight away, take a moment to thoroughly scan the options listed in the payment area. Once you've found where to enter the gift card code, this is your cue to take out your gift card. Enter the code exactly as it's shown. Pay careful attention to this part, because even the slightest error in inputting the code could mean it's not recognized and you won't be able to redeem it. Double check your entry to avoid such issues. After you've entered the gift card code, it's time to apply it. There's usually a button to apply or redeem the code. Click on that button and your gift card's balance will be deducted from your total amount automatically. This step should reflect instantly, showing you the new total after the gift card deduction. Once the gift card balance has been applied, there might be a remaining balance that your gift card didn't cover. If that's the case, don't worry, you can complete this remaining balance with your preferred payment method. Whether it's through a credit card, PayPal, or another option available on Dhgate, just follow the prompts to finalize your payment. And that's it. You've successfully used a gift card on Dhgate. It's always a good feeling to see the deduction from your total, knowing you've saved some money. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your shopping experience on Dhgate is a smooth and pleasant one. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.